Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly walk you through on how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So let's get into the video. So open up your Snapchat account and make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. So just open it up. Once you open it up, go to your profile on your top left here. So click on your profile, and then here if you go to my friends, firstly if you want to remove a friend, you can simply select the friend, press and hold on them, and you will see this manage friendship option. Click on it and you can just hit on remove friend to remove it. So you can do this to remove whoever friends you want to remove. But if you want to remove them at once, unfortunately there's no direct ways of doing it to remove it simply at once. So what we can do workaround is that it's better we can just close this Snapchat account or delete this Snapchat account and then reopen an account, and then you can add your selected friends from there, so like from fresh. So that would be a better option if you really have quite a lot of friends that you want to remove, and unfortunately we won't be able to do it at once. So this is the currently only workaround we have at this point, and I hope this information was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.